Hey, so if your TradingView indicators are not working, like RSI, MACD, or any indicator, not showing properly or not updating, that's actually a common issue. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. First, make sure the indicator is actually added to the chart. Sometimes it looks like it's not working, but it was never added correctly in the first place. Next, open the indicator settings and reset it. Wrong settings can break the display or make it look like it's not working. Now, check your chart type. Some indicators don't display properly on certain chart styles like Heikin-Ashi or Renko. Switching back to candlestick often fixes it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, so refresh your TradingView page to reload everything. If you're using too many indicators at once, they can conflict. Try removing extras and keep only one or two to test. Browser data can also cause issues, so clear your cache or open TradingView in incognito mode. Now, make sure your internet is stable. If data isn't loading properly, indicators won't update either. And finally, switch browsers if nothing works. Some browsers handle chart scripts better than others, so that's how you fix TradingView indicators not working. Most of the time, it's just settings, cache, or chart issues. Try these steps and everything should work again. Hey, so if